she a come back then?
Babe, stop worry about Murty, no Murty, alright. It's, alright, listen, babe. It's when Murty gone her mother, she not come back until night. When she done her mother, she just chat all day. I don't know what them a talk about. I don't know what phone for them. Talk on phone. And then when they meet up, then just a chat a galang, so.
But be me for work, cause I don't get no time with that. So me for work. So.
I don't want you to worry about it. Listen. Alright. We have a plan.
What's that?
How about me, you, and her? That's 3 of us together. You know? What a bombshell.
You're talking about threesome.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a bad idea, babe.
Yeah. So you think I should like, but I don't know if I never tell her. Yeah. I can't tell her. I know if I tell her, say.
You know she tell me everything, right? So
Yeah.
once you go to her, she will come to me and then I will convince her from there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's why I love her saying it. Come again. That's why I love her saying it. Yes, go ahead. Yeah, me I go married. How about that?
Really?
Yeah.
You're just saying that to make me feel good.
Nah, man, me have to married man for true, man. Me have to married in a real life. You don't have to worry about Murty. Nah, Murty good, Murty alright actually. She gonna feel sad at one point, but she know for recover. She strong, you know. That's how she strong. Be a strong woman, me. When I say, yeah, be a strong woman.
Yeah.
What a bombshell. What a bombshell.
Anyways, I'm not gonna feel happy until you propose to me.
Yeah, listen. I buy the ring already, so you don't have to worry about nothing like that. I have it all planned out.
Yeah.
Wash. You wash morning, you wash noon, you wash night, you wash all the time. Babe,
what is it?
I love wash, so I wash it with it.
The clothes are here to wash, so what should I do? Just leave
Man,
them
that's why I love it, so you know. You know, miss me today. I think don't you?
Let's go get a shower.
What's the smell of that? You, babe. Listen. Wanna ask you something?
What, Skinny? What do you want to ask?
Babe, listen. I don't know how to ask you, but I don't know if you feel no way, you know? You know why you stress out yourself?
What are you trying to tell me?
Babe, just listen. Listen, you know I love you, right? And anything I have to say is something that maybe going better we are. You know, make we Prolonghd look better, you know? And I know
Is it something for me to worry about?
Babe, come on. You know I never give you anything to worry about. Only the good.
Just
in
ease
the
yourself
middle.
off. Ease yourself off me.
Babe, listen. Alright, babe, listen. You see the juice? The blend up fruit juice, babe. We can't bother with it sometime. We blend up some peanut and some, you know, some pumpkin seed. You know, 3 different types of seed, you know? Yeah.
What are you trying to tell me, Skinny?
Yeah, just the juice, man, babe. More, you just want different type of juice, babe, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know nothing feel worried about.
So you want garlic juice?
Garlic juice, babe, don't be wrong.
Aki juice?
Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe.
Okay. And you want garden egg juice, turnip,
Yeah,
egg juice?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, Skinny. So really that you can't tell me? As long as you take to tell me that?
Yeah, man. Me when you feel that way.
Me not gonna feel no way about that. Excuse yourself. Me not gonna feel no way about that. So you can.
You sure?
I'm not gonna feel no way. I told you before. Me not gonna feel no way, you know? Like every day you look outside, you see some different people crossing and they're just staring.
Babe. Listen.
What, Skinny? What you
Babe,
saying?
you know I love you. I got so much love for you. Guess what?
Skinny, what you saying? What you trying to tell me? What is it?
Yeah, you know I love you.
Go get yourself cleaned up.
Yeah, babe. What a bombshell. What a bombshell.
You know, Skinny up to something. I don't know what it is, but he's up to something. I'm definitely gonna find out. He's up to something. Yeah, I know him. I know him too much. He's up to something. I gotta find out.
Mom's alone here getting it.
You're joking.
Brother, mom's alone here work with brother. I want to see man.
Yeah,
One burn as two.
No, brother. No, brother.
Pot? Cool
No, brother.
pot.
Yeah, man, I'm going.
Yo,
That's what I did.
why they have to link back a man for the rim, you know? One rim, cool pot.
Brother, my woman still in that.
Yeah, by all means. You don't know, you know.
But me get, when I forget, that's it.
You get to, you forget.
When I forget,
So when you see rounders, them I tell you say, yo, I'm gonna trap the rounders, they want to tell you say, yo.
I'm gonna get it if you want to chop it.
No,
man,
man,
me come here and tell us me chop.
Remember saying now when you
chop
go home, you know, she have to go inspect it, you know.
Inspect what? You think that's a bad man role?
Yeah,
And that's my role, my friend.
brother.
Not time at all. And
Yo,
that's my role.
bad
No,
man
you can't
shell.
talk us straight, you know, when that guy, yeah,
Watch
you know
out,
what
watch out.
one.
Watch out, see how
Yeah,
skinny
yeah.
they are forward to come tell you what go on. Yo, skinny, what you deal with?
Someone I remember you talking.
Evaluate for work. I even look like say, yo, you have to change your name to Cosmo because he my boss son. Watch how your dog look. Watch it. The dog can't name. Watch out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. Yo. Mine, sit down, dog. Sit down now, brother. Let them make me go look. I don't know some man. Let them make me go look.
See you now.
Yo. They are say, yo, I am Cosmo. I am boss son. They are about hold it off, man.
No joke.
The man might beat rum so early.
Yes.
Brother boss,
Yeah,
you
no,
can't
see.
go deal with business, you know,
Can't
son.
manage
So
for
we
the
there.
while now.
I want to tell you, man, you're a joke, man.
Brother, me remember say rum thing, brother. I say rum, brother.
Yeah.
Rum. Weak in your body one way, brother. I say,
No,
you
man,
have to go walk your man.
But
for
at that
to
Yeah,
try
brother,
some-
but
Weak.
man, you see rum.
You have to take a one
Rum
tree.
make when you go so boom, that tree something there.
You take on one
Can
shot,
take
brother.
on.
Right now, I don't want to trace that night.
No, sir. That tree
You see,
something there we take
you see,
on,
that
man.
them
Once
thing
you take
I
on the
done
rum,
that thing
brother,
that me go out
tree
now, you
something.
don't know about.
No power.
No,
You must see what
yo,
man
you
put
know-
meat in your blouse and
Brother, man's good when there.
Yes, man, I
Man's
don't
not
know.
know
Hey,
about
brother,
But yeah, man,
respect your elders.
Listen, man.
Respect your elders, man. Respect your
Man's
elders.
not, man put up with it.
Man's put up with what?
Then if man's not saying nothing about it, then
Remember,
not
say
good.
me have our phone pass speed dial. Careful.
Say you would have call me baby. So
No, we just want to show you.
Easy yourself, you can't tell me about your head. You can't tell me about speed
One
dial.
thing with him, like my girl said, when you go to mom's, you know, man.
Straight shut down and lock down, brother. I want to hear, man. Man, forget all it.
Oh, mom's go, babe, come here, I need some. I say, come. See me, I forgot be it so for try, man.
Because she's mom's. When you see mom's, you have to go to mom's. But mom's not inspect me.
What you mean? Move your blouse and skirt.
Mom's not inspect me because
All
Kill a road.
not talking, you know. You see, when me I'll go to all moms, one day me just walk in the washroom and me see moms a wash.
Serious?
Yeah.
No
and me
joke?
just pull up my chest off it, Joe.
So?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And walk
so
in.
job.
Yeah. And say, moms, can I have a threesome? And she
wow.
say,
what she said?
right now.
What a bombshell!
No joke.
No joke!
Baby,
Hey.
can we have a threesome?
Oh yeah, really?
Yes,
Oh yeah, you ready?
right now.
Alright, no problem. Go get yourself cleaned up. I'm gonna get the girl. Yeah, go
Babe,
have a
babe,
shower
I
and
love
bed.
you. Give me anything I want.
Anything you want, baby.
I love you so
Yeah,
much.
go get yourself cleaned up. Go. Yeah.
What a bombshell.
Yeah, right now. Go get yourself cleaned up. I'm gonna pick up the girl right now. You go do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful, you know, 'cause remember, you know.
No joke, man. Me a tell you, say, regular man. Regular, me get them.
Regular?
Regular man.
No, that me I tell me I show them little youth I say, yo, them
Regular
nah,
man.
they nah live no life yet,
Regular
man.
Hear them, hear them, hear them.
Nah
They
live
tell
no
them,
life.
say,
Yo.
my woman, we come so boom. If me go to her and say, her, she say, her back and fast.
What she say, "Rrr," with a hand back?
He look like PG. He look like PG. Nah, so for true, you know.
No, no, we are talking about, man. You just like a rum get to it. We are talking about.
Me, she,
and
and
her.
her. Correct. Still no know.
You still not understand. What we are talking
What we are
about?
talking about?
What we are talking about?
Tell you what
Still
we are
last
talking
night.
about.
You still like
Me,
she
and
and her.
Correct.
Repeat what we say now in a class, sir.
Me, she, and her.
Alright, correct.
No,
100% in a class, you.
Yeah, man, a simple thing, man. Whether you have to have style, you have to have flow
And pattern.
and pattern.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And once you have all of that, everything is our
Bombshell. Bombshell.
Right.
No joke, bro. A regular man, me get them thing. Me can't show you. A simple mass them, man. Them thing they easy, brother, man.
Simple.
Alright.
1
They
3.
easy, man.
Alright,
Simple,
sir.
simple, simple.
Alright, sir.
We can't fast
Alright,
up with
sir.
you anywhere here and there, man. You treat,
Yeah, guys.
treat no problem, man. Treat no problem. Me, she, and her.
Yeah.
No
Right.
problem.
Everything
Yeah.
second.
What a bombshell.
What
What
a
a
bombshell.
bombshell.
No joke, bro. God, man. Me, I tell you, man.
Serious?
I'm here on the street, brother, man.
Oh, I'm there, man. Yo, because money are forward, you know. Yo, them have money, have the girl, them nothing, you know.
Hello.
When you have money still in a dog, I say, anything
Go
good.
on with wife.
Cosmo done.
Oi,
He's gone a road, man.
boy, ain't gone a road in a bossy.
What you guys doing on this property? Cause you know I'm set already.
Brother, we have work, but you don't know, so we have to settle the meds. We don't want to do no mistake. Yeah, man. Where you say, boss, you want a shot?
You know how that is already, and you know.
Come on, I want to hear, man. A girl we are talking about, you know, man. And we don't know, say, a girl is, you know. So, we don't want shot, the girl is. Oh, that's right, girl
I'm
is.
do it this thing, but you know, bro, when you come and take girls, you know you can't.
Yeah, so you say.
You know you think
I want to hear, man. I don't know
Yo,
anything.
one
Go.
chance, you know.
I want to hear.
Yo, tell them all the trees.
See some go. I want to them little youngsters. I say, six.
Six
Six.
down.
What a bombshell!
What a bombshell.
Youth. Careful.
A bombshell that in a dog. Six.
Since you are he, she are her. Or 6 go.
What you say?
One
You say?
Benz money.
Ban it.
One
Ban it.
Yeah, bro.
What a bombshell! When them fall, let's hear some with you.
Dog, I say I go on that.
Yeah.
Bro, we don't play with the girls, bro. You know, the girls stay in the uptown part
Yeah.
of the inner city.
Jeez.
Bro.
The uptown part of the inner city.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo, the inner city part of the
I
uptown.
be a bombshell, dog, I go out with it.
Be a bombshell stuff with you. No joke.
Yeah, bro.
You're not
But-
carrying some ammunition, them man.
Yeah.
You just drive
But
out the
still-
Benz and you come
Yeah,
out
man,
and
that
you
one
alone,
there,
man.
man.
Like,
I'll be a girl now from round corner.
Yeah.
What a
Bro,
bombshell.
you guys have to let me know because you know you guys are always on the work and all that stuff. You know.
Ah, man, you don't
But
know,
you know,
say
like,
you and daddy run the
yeah.
thing, man. You just tell you when now we deal with the thing the right way, man.
I real talk,
I
man.
don't really have the experience uptown, brother.
A true, man.
Sometimes so nice part.
Be a ghetto girl, man, and me can't manage to ghetto girl them sometimes.
you have the
They want
experience, you
money,
could
dog.
never
We
get
want
some of
girl
the
to take
experience
care of
and
you
all
now.
that.
I even stopped going to those parties, bro, because it's a lot of gay guys, you know, and shit. So,
No.
You know,
Right, that's a want a bombshell.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Yo, what one man? Yo, one party I keep running so late, I know.
Round so up, so down, so.
Yeah, man. Yo, can make dog forward, you know, cause dog a piece of money.
Yeah, man, I'm making. Yo,
bro.
Yeah,
You know
bro.
that-
bruh, I want to
You know,
There's a Henny on the rocks.
I just took one of
There's a Henny on the rocks.
Yeah, result is a bit
Yeah,
too.
man.
I just have to
beat
take
it,
one of
bad.
that credit card and we're good, you know.
Yeah, man, actually.
Black yard.
Black yard.
Anyone, bro.
Yo!
Right,
So
so
that-
no,
that-
no,
that-
no,
that-
no,
shell.
shell. But differently, you know, even if you walk with the card, you know, we have to get them the money stock and pile.
God, machine.
Because we have
Yo,
to want
easy,
to pop
easy
the
now, man.
elastic
Come
off
on,
of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, elastic them put on them,
Yeah.
plastic,
So rubber bands.
rubber band.
Bro,
Yes.
Bro, you know, I got this, you know.
No.
But still, you know how that stay already. We can't have you guys staying on the property like this, you know.
Nah, man,
Yeah,
we just
man.
have
We
to
soon
get
left,
the
man.
class
Get to
and
work,
done,
man.
man,
I
and
get to work.
get to work.
A true, man.
Say about it,
But when
say
we just
about
speed
it.
up that, I like a bit of from left, man. But that's how go on.
That's all little right
Yeah.
from left, man. We don't beat it off, we deal with all I work. I don't know,
Yeah,
say a party later, and on
So
a
you
bombshell.
So you guys are interested in the real estate business, like, you know. that
We
was
can't
teaching
read too good, you know, so.
I
Can't
mean,
read too good.
it's easy, bro. You know, all you gotta do is, you
I
know.
be a reading, Mr. Man. He can't read too good. That's
Well,
the man, him can't read. Him ever there read something or something.
One thing, man, that one.
Yes, I'm in the kitchen.
You cooking?
Yeah, what's up?
Alright.
Yes, what's up?
What you cooking?
I'm eating vegetables.
I know some man run by the same vegetable patrol. I can't read no mind. You go out one like, yo, lemon flee, you know. Yeah, I got that really a pretty vegetable.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
what's going on?
But we have to keep it or just veg.
No. I went to do steamed fish as well.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, with Spanish rice.
Nice.
The rice is already on the stove.
That's it. Now come with me, man. Put it on the bar there. Hey, you need any help?
No, I'm almost done.
You sure?
That's fine, yeah. I'm almost done now.
You need juice already?
Oh, yeah. I blended beetroot.
Beetroot. You need some beetroot the other day. Like from the other day, like why just a cup or some beetroot. You know, man, you get this feeling for something like you just want something. You know?
You always want something, Steve.
Me always want something. I always want you. I always want you. You know that. Babe, want to ask you something?
That's all. By the way, how
You
was
think?
it today?
My day was okay, you know. As usual, garage business. car today, car tomorrow, car every day, all car, new car. You know. But babe, you have something more to ask you.
What is that?
What do you think about if we like if we expand the house, like, you know?
What do you mean expand the house? Look how big this house is.
Yeah, but sometimes, you know, I just feel like, because what's the other have kids and all that.
So do I got 3-story?
Yeah, 3-story is good. Yeah, like, you know.
As long as you have the money to do it, fine.
The money? Babe,
Yeah.
you know, come on, man. You know, we always save money and all that, so.
We always say,
Yeah.
or I always say.
Yeah, but, I mean, you're the saver, I'm the worker, you know. You don't understand, like, 3-story, yeah, good, like. But, babe, next thing again, babe, you know, me are good at it. Me don't want to get me wrong, you know, like, you know me good when it come on to like personality, we connect, we can communicate, and we never really argue or anything like that. And when we're in the bedroom,
What again, you're not scared?
it's good, but babe, what may I try to say, you because my friend them at work, when we did it sometime I did that, not because I'm a friend they say it. Yeah, you know, what more I understand is that it's just a feeling. You know, it's just, it not nothing to do with me and you, like me and you change.
You've been here talking for like so long and you just can't get to it. Like
Yeah.
what you telling me?
Alright, we may try to say if we could you know, try something new, you know, like just to spice up the moments, you know, like.
Like, what do you mean try something new for spice up the morning? Like in terms of what?
Like, you know, like my next girl, me, you, like, just one time, you know, not gonna be like all the time.
So, you're talking about a threesome, that's what you're talking about?
Yeah, babe. You know how you feel now, babe.
I'm not feeling any type of way.
You're not feeling no way, so we can.
Since you want to spice something up, right? How about me getting somebody and you stand and watch?
Babe, come on, man. You alone have a whole life fun. You alone have a whole life fun if you do that.
Okay, so you want to go get another girl.
Me? Nah, man, you do that kind of me.
I don't have anybody to get. And I don't understand where this feeling coming from.
Then, you know, it not gonna change anything good same way. You know me love the same way. It not gonna change nothing.
I have
You know
never
what?
done anything like this. I've never planned on doing anything like this. I don't know.
But me never did before, so me wouldn't know if it, me not know if it ask about it. You know? Me don't know if it ask it. Babe.
Why would you want to do something like that? You think it's a good idea?
Well, me don't know. Maybe.
I've never had such experience. I don't know.
Hey, come on, man. Me could try something. Yeah, listen, babe. It's just a one time. Just one time. What a bombshell!
Babe.
You know, I honestly think it's a darn bad idea. I don't understand now. How is it that you just be come up in here telling me that, oh shit, you want to do a threesome and shit like that? No. Oh, that's not accepted.
Babe.
That's not accepted. No. I ain't having it. No. Mm-mm.
Babe,
There can't be something good.
Babe,
No.
Just one time. Just one time.
You know what? You pissing me off.
Alright, babe, forget about it. Just a
Hell
that. Like, me not go cheat, babe, or anything like that.
How can you just have the nerve to come up in here asking me to do some shit
Babe.
that's not even something that I would think of for not even a second?
Babe, me just want you to understand.
Oh my God.
Forget about
Skinny,
it. Babe.
you
Forget
know what?
about it. We're not going to do it.
You make me sick to my stomach.
Babe, forget about it. We're not going to do it. We're not going to do it, babe. We're not going to do it.
Oh God.
Babe, we're not going to do it. It's not going to change this. Babe, come on. We're not going to do it. Cheer up, babe. Cheer up. Me dance it.
It's not. Listen, just go. Just go. Go get yourself freshened up.
Babe, come on. Forget about it now.
Go get yourself freshened up.
What a bombshell.
Is this for real? Is this for real? Like, how can you? Really? Like, for real? What kind of nerve you have? I'm not even feeling like I want to continue cooking. Like, that's a tough one. God. Oh my God. How can you, like for real? Like for real? You gotta be crazy. God. Oh my God. I gotta say this to my friend. I gotta call Bumper. She gotta hear this. Bumper's gotta hear this. Good. I'm not even gonna wait. I gotta call her now. God.
Hey girl, what's up?
Hey, where you at?
I'm at home.
Alright, so this is it. Cause I gotta call you to tell you Skinny just came home, right? And he's saying that like he came home like he didn't even know how to tell me. But then he came home telling me, oh, he wants to spice up the relationship and shit. Like he wants to do a threesome. Like, how can you? I mean, like, you there? Yeah, like, how can you hear me, right? Yeah, so like, I don't understand how you gonna come home and say shit like that to me, like, yeah. Yeah, like, really, like, I don't understand. So, you know what, like, I am so pissed right now, like, that's such a goddamn bad idea. Like, how can you be saying shit like that to me? Alright, I'm home. I'm cooking, so I'll be waiting for you. Alrighty. Yeah. Let's see about that one. I don't even feel like I want to cook no more.
Baby, Hello.
Hi.
Baby, finish. Did you finish cook?
Not yet. I mean, you could get something to eat though. But I didn't finish everything. Hey, cutie.
I'll go on the road for a minute and then come back. So, I'm not still. Alright?
Okay.
So far,
Alright. Hi. This is my baby getting food though.
babe,
Hi.
so come back here.
I heard you. What?
I said I so come back.
Alright, Skinny, I hear you. Can you imagine, like, hi. Let me check if he's gone. Okay. I don't think it's a good idea for me to do it. Because, I mean, I don't understand. He just came home telling me that, oh, he want to do it. So, I mean, I got so mad. And then he was saying, oh, never mind, whatever.
Well, actually, it's a good thing because I done it before and I know I told you. So it's a beautiful thing. You can try it.
Oh my God. So you're going to convince me now to give it a shot.
Yeah.
I mean, you're trying to convince me, but I don't know if it's a good idea. Like, I just don't know. Hey.
Yeah, it's a good idea. You can try it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Like, as Skinny is saying that you just want to try something new and whatever. Like, I don't know. What if I do it and then, because he's saying, oh, I'm to get the girl. So, what if I go get a girl and then here she comes, snatch my mind away? It's not like I'm scared or whatever, but
Bad man, skip my youth. Bad man. How much time you can't use phone, brother, before you come in here, brother?
Yo, watch it. Bad man,
Bad man, what phone make for? Bad man. The dog then will bite you.
Yeah, no.
Hey, Repon.
There, man. Yo, watch it now. You know, more reason how the bro got. You know the same thing where you talk about cheese something. They know say me chat to mans about you and something.
How go on.
She say she think about it.
She think about it?
Yeah, she tell me say she think about it, bro. You know.
No, from woman, so then you think about it still in there, you know, say it depend on her meds, you know, say something where she have meds, you know, say you get it, you know, you might get it.
Boy, wouldn't mind get it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Between me and still, me never get it. Never get it, bro. God, no. I trick them over work, man. You know you can't do.
So yeah. I tell me say you never get it.
Never get it, bro. God.
Yeah, go on, so brother, let's say.
But that's too loud, man.
Boy, I go on, let's say.
No, me never get it, but
brother, I know say I can't make a bridging still. Yeah,
but watch out, bro. God. Moody, man, she deal with it, you know. She behave like she would deal with it, you know. Yeah.
Funny you say my thing about it still.
No, joke, bro. God. So watch out now. Now pressure still and see me could I get it. Why?
Nice piece of nice little thing going in the combination going in.
Yeah, no joke.
For the all to watch them to fit show. For just all look on them. Yeah man, it's nice one.
So you be there already?
Yeah man.
Don't lie, man. One lie. I
do. See it though,
big man level still. On a big man level still. Right now, brother, I come at me a virgin, brother, car. From where they talk about me, bro, God. No joke. Would mind, I chain at you, no. Would mind get the bro, God.
Boy, I hear you talk.
Yeah, you know.
Well, I boss still skinny, bombshell.
No,
Bombshell. No joking about watching no. You feel if you call before you come in, I had enough time still, man. Guess I know. She good, man. Stop asking me what my woman, brother. Brother, you know, say if easy. You love woman like that.
Boy, me I tell her.
If it's second down, no man.
Till
you appreciate a woman about threesome. And if you have pressure her feet still, if you just one little time if you ask her feet, if she say you have pressure her feet, she will, you know, say she will wonder if I really like her or if her poking are really good enough, you know.
Oh,
yeah,
true.
I really talk, man. You be a butt, that's about it.
I'm not talking to her long, you know, because I see her and her friend over there. I wonder if I hate she or her fans of it too.
You're not left off a kiss. You're not left off a kiss.
As me going up for through my man, I'm going to it too.
What a bombshell.
What a bombshell. But we link up, man. No joke, man.
I mean, I've never done this before. So I'm just thinking that I shouldn't do it.
You can, and we can talk about it. You don't have to go outside to get a stranger to do it. We can talk about it.
What you mean we can talk about it?
You know, your friend from way back when. We can just do it.
Okay, so Bumper, you're convincing me to do it, and I'm gonna be blunt. You're telling me straight up that okay, I need to do it, and you up for it.
Yeah. Just help a friend out.
Oh my God.
Take him away, I won't.
I'm gonna think about it.
Think about it. It's a beautiful thing. Trust me. You get that one time. Trust me, baby.
I don't know what to do. Okay. Hi. These kids, they learn pretty young. Like, yeah. Because I'm here talking to you. I gotta be mindful of what I'm saying. Because these kids. Here you go. You're so brilliant. Yeah. Princess Jaina. You're so brilliant, mommy. Alright, so when he comes in, I'm gonna tell him, like, maybe tonight or tomorrow, I'll tell him that I'm gonna think about it. Okay. But you said not to worry about it. But alright, so I'll say, you know what? I've thought about it, and I'm gonna give it some more thought.
Okay, do that.
You're so convincing, girl.
Do that.
Hey! Hi, Hi, Munchkin. Alright, so.
Like, one thing with it. You should have your own restaurant.
You always say that. Get me one.
No, serious. You don't joke. Like, your food, I can't get enough. Trust me. Look a bit of your food is not good enough. Babe, it look like a food you want me now.
Excuse us.
I'm not bed too. You are going so. You want me everywhere, babe. Yeah, mom, so I'm just a food alone. I'm just a food alone, babe.
I just had a shower and it seems like the shower kept in the bathroom. You need to look at it first.
Alright. So as soon as I finish,
Just check it. Just see.
Tell her, babe. So, look nice,
dinner.
though. That's nice.
Eat your dinner.
Nice. 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 Maybe I eat. I enjoy my dinner. My dinners.
Here's something else.
Yeah. Listen. You remember the thing that I asked about earlier?
What about it? You know what? I'm going to give it a thought. I'm going to give it a thought because I spoke to Bumper about it. That's why she came over here. Yes.
Bumper.
I said yes. I spoke to her about it.
Young Bumper, would I do something like that?
I don't know.
Hmm.
Maybe she did it already. I don't know.
Say, sure, babe. I should just see that. True.
Well, we had our woman to woman talk, whatever.
Hmm.
So I'm just going to give it a thought. So I'm going to think some more on it.
So, tonight?
Don't ask me about it again. I may just change my mind. I may just change my mind.
3 hours. Come on, babe. Tomorrow night.
If you annoy me,
Babe, come on. Come on, cheer up, man. Let me enjoy my dinner. And then my other dinner later. You know it go.
we'll see about it, you know. You know, you could have sat around your table and eat a dinner. Why did you come in here?
Yeah, I'm right here with this girl.
You join me for everything.
What we do for love. We try everything. What the bombshell.
Oh my God. You're something else.
I'm special.
Remember to fix the shower cap.
I'm gonna do it right after we finish.
Babe,
Hey.
what happened to you?
Nothing to me. Good man. Good man.
I know you too much. What's wrong? Talk to me.
Good man, I just let me there, you know. I reflect on them. You know.
Reflect on what? Something is bothering you. What is it?
Man, no, I'm a good man. Why you think something bother me? No, bother me, I'm a good man.
I know you too
For
much.
me, I'm a good man, you know. I'm a good man.
You sure?
Yeah, be man, honestly, like, I'm good, like.
Skinny, look at me. I know you too well.
I'm a good man. Man,
What's
say I'm a
wrong?
good man.
Something is up with you. What's wrong?
I just everything overall, man. No work and all of that. So I don't really nothing like me, you know. Common, like them stuff that
Is
like
it
common
me?
assault, you know.
Hope I'm not the problem.
No man, you say that man. You good man. Me a good man. Me a good man, you know that. But you worry yourself, but I gotta work now and thing, man. You know, and the breakfast is nice here. Like you'll prepare it extra this morning. Babe, me good man. Stop worry yourself now. Me good for you, man.
If you say so.
Good man. So I gotta work now and stuff here, so later.
Alright.
We catch you. Alright, later.
Alright. Babe, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? What's that?
Guess what the surprise is? Just guess.
What?
You want the surprise or no?
If it's a good surprise, why not? Well,
Alright, hello? Let's play.
well, I would have buy phone. I would have buy phone.
Nobody's on the phone. I'm not on the phone.
Sure.
Wait, Bumper. Let me lay my rules. Now, first of all, we're going to be doing this as you requested. No kissing, no penetration. Yes, I'm serious.
Babe.
You know how it goes. I don't want to be feeling like this, you know what, just don't give me no feeling like you're into each other too much. I don't want that. And after this, she go her way, and that's just about it. You know, she's my friend. You don't communicate with her or anything like that. Right, Bumper? You got it, girl.
It's just a one-time what you were.
Yeah, so it's just a one-time shot. And I hope you enjoy it. Stop. No kissing. Listen, listen. Babe, why are you making that sound? Stop. Why are you making that sound? Can you turn off the light?
Skinny and easy, no, you pull off the one.
Oh, me pull it off? Oh, what a bombshell called original skinny. Hey, that was good enough. You feel like at first time.
This is your enjoy.
What? Me like if you want to see my dirty face. See me?
It's one night and she has a my turn,
Yeah. Boy, I couldn't get a turn.
Not you.
Yeah. I tell you, it's when I catch you one part, so you catch it, so ooh, what a bombshell. Watch out. Where's the one now? Look, we go on next round. Yeah.
Come on before she come on.
What a bombshell.
Come on, babe. Come on, man.
Hold on, babe. Hold on. Alright, come on.
Notification. Skinny uploaded a new photo. What is this? Really? Really? And look how me there worried over Skinny. Look how me there and things there's something wrong with Skinny. Go report Skinny. How can you do this? How can you do something like this? New wifey? Oh my God. I've been here thinking that you're missing. I reported you. I have sleepless nights. I can't eat. I've been going here and there checking for you. I called your phone, it's off. And here you are, posting a picture with Bumper? Really? Really, Skinny? Oh my God. You see, this is why us females we're not supposed to trust our friends. How can I say that I have you as my friend, Bumper? Like, really, Bumper? You're the last person I think would do me something like this. Here you are. I knew this was a bad idea. I just knew this was a bad idea. And I have never thought for a second that you convinced me to do such thing, all because you had an aim. Like, really? You see, you can never trust anybody, because these friends, they're so fake. Like, I take you as my friend, Bumper, and you go be here snatching my man. You snatched my man with whatever charm you used, I don't know. But here you are. Here you are. This is so not cool. Here you are. I can't believe this. This cannot be happening. Really? On social media? You be here posting picture on social media? Really? Really? And here I was so stressed out. I just knew this was a bad idea. I knew this was a bad idea. These fake friends, they cannot be trusted. They can't be trusted. It's so unfair. This is so not fair to me. So you're gone. And even though you're gone, you left everything. But this is no fair. This is so not fair. You know what? I gotta drop my tears. This is so hurting. How can you do this to me? How can you do this? This is not fair. Why wasn't I thinking? Why? Like, I trusted her. Bumper, I trusted you. And this is how you're gonna treat me? This is the way you're gonna treat me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. God, what did I do? All I ever did was to try to please Skinny in every way. I'm not a bad person. I've never thought of anything unkind of anyone. All I did was good, but my good is just not good enough. Oh my God. You know what? You two deserve each other. You deserve each other. Mama never raised no fool. And I'm not gonna act as if I'm a fool. Mama never raised no fool. I'm a strong woman. And one thing I know is that I learn.